heard this saying, what you don't know can't hurt you. But when it comes to heart health in women, that saying is wrong, possibly dead wrong. What many people don't know is that the classic signs of heart attack in men, such as a tingling left arm and severe chest pain, are not the same in women. Jessica Chapin shows you what to look for in this 9 on Your Side Health Watch.
So let's just see what your oxygen is here.
For the past 12 years, Mary Ann Fay has seen the doctor every 3 months.
Pulse 71. That's great. All right, great.
Because 12 years ago, when she went to the doctor for an ear infection, it turned out to be something completely different.
I had pain in my ear, I felt nausea, and I felt hot. I felt uncomfortable. I just knew there was something wrong, but I didn't know what it was.
She had several episodes over the course of a week with no real diagnosis.
But actually, I was sitting there with a Mayo book in my lap reading heart attacks, and I didn't have any of those symptoms. I did not have the elephant on the chest, and I did not have the symptoms that you think you're having a heart attack. Mine were totally different, and then they went away.
But it turns out she was having a heart attack.
I had a 90% blockage, so I was very, very fortunate that eventually I was understood that I was having a problem.
That was the diagnosis from the Sarver Heart Center, where Dr. Gordon Evie explained the heart of the issue.
I had high blood pressure, had high cholesterol. My grandmother had died of a heart attack. Technically, I was very healthy, but I had a little bit of everything.
On the outside, she was fine, but on the inside, her clogged artery was threatening her life.
Had you not come here and gotten the proper diagnosis, have you thought about what might have happened?
Well, yeah, I would have died. No question.
And while she's healthy now, she recognizes the close call.
I feel that I'm still very fortunate that I got the proper care.
Fay's symptoms weren't unusual, and the fact that she didn't know wasn't unusual either.
Your heart needs more blood supply. You don't get it, and that's what causes the problem. And again, the symptoms are totally different in men than in women.
Dr. Evie says most women he sees don't recognize the signs, and many of them don't act before it's too late. In fact, it's the leading cause of death for women in the U.S.
How can a woman tell if she's having a heart attack?
Well, if you have symptoms, you need to talk to your doctor about it. I don't care what the symptoms are. You know, you might be short of breath, fatigue.
It may mean a trip to the hospital if you experience fatigue, shortness of breath, and pain in the stomach, shoulder, or back. Medical science recognizes the difference between symptoms in women and men, changing the way they look at test outcomes.
It's also why we use sort of different types of stress tests on men and women, because guess what? They're different.
Oftentimes in women, the signs are harder to detect. That's why Evie says it's important to pay attention.
Now, there are 3 main things that women need to keep track of. That's your family history, your cholesterol levels, and your blood pressure.
124/84, which is fabulous.
According to Evie, knowing those numbers could save your life.
This is a risk for sudden death, and you need to know those things.
And for Fay, it's a risk she's not willing to take again.
We should be concerned about our hearts and having a heart attack. I think that's something that we don't think about.
Jessica Chapin, KGUN 9 on your side.
The Sarver Heart Center and the University of Arizona continue to research new ways to prevent and treat the disease. Right now, they have 3 separate projects focusing specifically on gender and race differences for deadly illness.